Hello, today we'll be going over the walkthrough file within the tutorial folder of calculator and formula notes. But before we get started, let me show you where to find the application calculator and formula notes. Go to the Microsoft Store. Then search here for formula calculator. Okay, here it is. Now let's head back to the application. Okay, let's get started. Go to the walkthrough file. Let's start with index 0, walkthrough. Follow the directions on this list. Each bar represents a formula. The directions are located in the section formula description of each bar. Restart the application to reset the tutorial or press reload tutorial button in the preference section. So the directions are located here in the formula description, and the reload tutorial button is located here in the preference section. And notice that the reload tutorial on startup is turned off. So everybody turn off the reload tutorial on startup. Okay, let's go into the next one. Create a table of contents. Type into formula name contents. Click on formula and press Alt. Then go to the next step. So what this did here was it created a content of the formula list. It has walkthrough, contents, reuse pi formula, and so on. If a typed character P comes before or after a highlighted text, remove the highlighted text. Type into formula name pi. Formula name pi. Type into formula P. Then press Alt. In the variable list below this description, type 3.14 into the variable value. Then press Alt. Note, the variable is located to the left of the variable name, and it is the green letter P. So what we did here is we created a pi constant. We've assigned it a variable of P, and the variable P is assigned a value of 3.14. Okay, on to the next one. Reuse the pi formula. Type or copy into formula 10 pi plus a. Press Alt. Type into variable value of a 1 plus pi plus 1. Press Alt. Change the pi value into 3. Press Alt. Note instead of brackets bracket is treated as parentheses, not tilde brackets. So brackets are not treated as brackets are treated as parentheses, and tilde brackets are not the same as the brackets. The brackets and tilde or tilde is the brackets tilde is are used to reference formulas, and here the pi formula references the tilde brackets here references the pi formula, and what it references is the value of pi when it is placed down here in the variable list. Reference the value here, the value of pi. When the tilde brackets are placed here in the formula section, the variable list here is taken and added into the list here. Okay, let's head on to the next one. Reuse the pi formula too. Reuse the pi formula is now a formula. Type or copy into formula, reuse the pi formula A. Type into variable value 1. Look for the variable names with braces. Add your description right before reuse the pi formula, braces. Result is this. Click on any variable value and press Alt. Okay. Okay, what we did here was we just added a description to the variable name, and when you add a description you have to add a parentheses and a tilde. Okay, let's head on to the next one. Commenting and new variables from same formula. Commenting the formula separates the formula. Type or copy into formula pi comment x. Press Alt. Click on it and set a value for the formula's variable value. Press Alt. In the variable name section of the comments, section, the comments separated the same formula into separate formulas, so they will not share the same values. All the formulas with similar comments share the same value. Comment 1, for example. There are two comment 1 and they share the same value. All the formulas with different comments share different values. Comment 2 share a different value from comment 1. And they have different comments. All the variables of x share the same value because the variables of x are the same share the same variable name, which is the current. Share the same formula, which is the current formula. And here, when there's no formula, then the variable name, when it's the current formula, the variable name is blink, which shows the variable name. Okay, next, and with that, I'm going to end it here, and on the next video, we're going to go over tutorial number 6 to 10. Thank you everyone for watching. Goodbye.